Hey everyone, welcome back to the Sure Lock and Key channel, your go-to source for all things locksmithing and security. Ever had a door lock that just won't turn, gets stuck, or feels weird? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're going to show you how to fix a broken lock step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know whether it's a simple fix or if you need professional locksmith services. So let's dive in. Before we start fixing anything, let's figure out what's wrong. Here are some common lock door signs that indicate trouble. Key won't turn or get stuck. Could be dirt, misalignment, or internal damage. The lock feels loose or wobbly. This might be due to worn-out screws or internal components. Key fits but won't unlock. The internal mechanism could be jammed. Visible rust or damage. If your lock looks bad, it probably isn't working great either. Once you know the issue, let's move on to fixing it. If your key is sticking or hard to turn, try this first. Use graphite or silicone spray lubricant. WD-40 works in a pinch, but it's not ideal for long-term use. Insert the key and gently wiggle it to spread the lubricant. If that doesn't work, your lock might be clogged with debris. Use a can of compressed air to clear it out. A loose or wobbly lock isn't just annoying, it's a security risk. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Remove the screws from the lock's faceplate or handle. Step 2. Check for worn-out screws and replace them if needed. Step 3. Tighten everything back up securely. Pro tip: if your lock still feels unstable, it might be time to replace a front door lock. Is your door lock not latching properly? The issue is usually misalignment. Step 1. Check if the door is sagging. Tighten the hinges if needed. Step 2. Adjust the strike plate. Step 3. If the latch isn't lining up, you may need to reposition the strike plate slightly by unscrewing it and shifting it up or down. Still not working? It might be time for a locksmith to inspect it. Some broken locks just aren't worth fixing. If you notice deep rust or cracks in the lock mechanism, a key broken inside the lock, your lock is more than 10 years old and constantly failing. It's time to replace the front door lock entirely. A residential locksmith can get the job done fast and make sure your home stays secure. If you need locksmith services, we're here to help. Check out our website or call us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more home security tips. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.